Molo. Ron lo. This is Ron. Let's eat some breakfast. Masike I blakfesi. Masike I blakfesi. And here we find ourselves at the table. E tafileni. What do we see on the table? We see I foloque, some forks. I foloque, we see one fork, singular. I foloque, I foloque. A plate. I pleiti, I pleiti. A spoon. Icepe, icepe. A knife. Imela, imela. And in the picture, we see a table and chairs. Itafile ne zitulo. So the word for a table is itafile. A chair, isitulo. Chairs, izitulo. Join the two together, we have itafile ne zitulo. Itafile ne zitulo. And look at the red and the red ne. So we have a little bit of repetition. So here at the table, sibona, we see. Imela, a knife. Ifoloque, a plate, rather a fork. Ipleiti, a plate. Necepe, and a spoon. I eat porridge with a spoon. Nditya ipapa ngecepe. Nditya ipapa ngecepe. We eat food with a knife and fork. Sitya ukutya, we eat food. Ngemela, with a knife. Ne foloque, and fork. I cut meat with a knife. Ndisika inyama ngemela. So we read again. Sibona imela ifoloque ipleiti necepe. Nditya ipapa ngecepe. Sitya ukutya ngemela ne foloque. Ndisika inyama ngemela. So here we have breakfast, the morning meal, and it is known as iblakfesi or isidlo sakusasa. Isidlo sakusasa, literally the meal of the morning. And on the table we have, starting at the bottom, we have isitya, a bowl, and ipapa, porridge, and we join the two together. We have isitya sepapa, a bowl of porridge. So here we read, I eat a bowl of porridge for breakfast. I eat the porridge with a spoon. I add milk and sugar. Nditya, I eat. Isitya sepapa, a bowl of porridge. Nge blakfesi. Nditya ipapa, I eat porridge. Nge cepe, with a spoon. I add milk and sugar. Ndi galela, I add ubisi, milk, ne swekile, and sugar. I read again. Nditya isitya sepapa ngeblackface. Nditya ipapa ngecephe. Ndigalela ubisi neswekile. Let's look at fruit. Iziqhamo. Iziqhamo. And here we have banana, one banana. Banana, more than one banana. Apile, an apple. Apile, apples. Pere, a pear. Grapes, grapes. Orange, an orange. And we add yogurt. Yogurt, yogurt. I like eating fruit. Ndithanda ukutya iziqhamo. I like eating fruit and yogurt for breakfast. Ndithanda ukutya iziqhamo neyogathi ngeblackface. Ndithanda ukutya iyogathi, or rather iziqhamo neyogathi ngeblackface. I eat a peach. Nditya ipesika. Nditya ipesika. A plum. Iplamu. A mango. Imengo. Imengo. A sweet melon or spanspek. Ispanspeki. Ispanspeki. Watermelon. Ivatala. Ivatala. Strawberries are either the borrowed term izitroberi, or amaqunube. Amaqunube. So let's read again from the top. Ndithanda, I like ukutya, to eat, iziqhamo neyogathi, fruit and yogurt ngeblackface. Nditya ipesika, I eat a peach. Iplamu, a plum. Imengo, a mango. Ispanspeki, spanspek. Ivatala, watermelon. Izitroberi, strawberries. Amaqunube, your strawberries. What's that term? Good. And that concludes the video. Enkosi kakhulu. Enjoy the breakfast.